So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off use wide address bar on Brave. So for that we just need to open Brave. After opening it, here on the top right corner you can see here three lines, click on there. And from here second last option you can see here settings, click on there. And then here on the left you can see here menu options, and here as second option you can see here appearance, click on there. And from here second section you can see here toolbar. In that section, scrolling down, you can see here an option called use wide address bar, and here you can see that it had been turned on. So by clicking it, you can turn it off. So this is how you can turn off use wide address bar on Brave. Alright, so that is for today's quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorial. See you in the next one. Take care.